Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I am back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be showing you a compilation of the recent updates I've done in my apartment to get it 100% done. This has been a long time coming since I first moved in back in October. Definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, stay tuned for the apartment tour coming up next. Follow me on Instagram and I hope you enjoy. I just have like kind of like this empty space, so I thought this would look good there, and it does fit quite nice. I might even put like a plant or something there. I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. I actually ordered some patio furniture from Target. I showed in this weekend vlog going and looking at some patio furniture at Target and Lowe's, but I didn't really find anything in store that I really loved. So I went on Target's website, I found a patio set that I really liked, so I ordered it online and it finally came today. However, I might have to return it and reorder it because it is kind of messed up here at the bottom. I'm just gonna see how it looks on my patio and see if I even like it before I mess with like reordering it. I also got some little rugs and a few other little decorations. I ordered the matching couch, like the patio couch that comes with the set. I kind of wanted the couch to be kind of like cozy and like lounge in, but like a little table to sit and work at because I know I would definitely get a lot of use out of it. I also am getting my couch in a week from right now as of filming this. It'll all kind of be at the same time when you watch this, and I'm hoping to kind of hang some pictures and just kind of get everything finished without actually putting it together. This is what it looks like, so I just didn't want to take it all out of the plastic and like actually assemble it until I knew I liked it. This is what it looks like. I think this set is actually pretty cute. I thought about putting a couch just kind of like right here. I might just get like a big tall plant and a few other things to kind of fill up the space. I'm just gonna wait till I get the new set to get it all set up. Just check back in a few days. The last time I checked in with you guys, I ordered a little patio set and it was kind of like messed up. Reordered it. I'm hopefully gonna get kind of like my patio set up. I just wanted to vlog the process, obviously, for this video. I got these chairs, the matching like little table type of thing, and then I also ordered the matching couch. I just need to get it all put together. First, I wanna see if this like even fits before I assemble it. And this is what my patio looks like before. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the chairs and the little table, a rug, and then the little couch. So it is a couple days later, and today's the day that I'm gonna get all of my patio furniture set up. I ordered a few different pieces. Today I'm actually going to set up my patio and transform it. So it's gonna look super cute here in the next hour. My dad's actually coming over to help me. So this is what it looks like. I am gonna get like a little palm plant for over there and maybe like some lights. Here's the couch. Actually, I might get some cute little like floral pillows or cushions. So I think that's probably all for today, but I'll definitely update you guys more as I do more apartment updates. Couch is here. Here is my couch. I really like it. Definitely an upgrade from what I had before, and it's also really comfy and cozy. I'm looking at picture frames because I got some Decennial prints and I need some frames for them. I love these pictures from Decenio. I got the frames from Ikea and they were only $14. They actually fit perfectly and they look really good. I got a few others, so I will just show you those as I hang them. Okay, so I'm gonna hang these pictures here. Obviously not like that, but like above. Those pictures are hung. I think they look really nice in here. I don't think I'm gonna end up putting anything on this wall because I think it would just look like too much. Okay, so those are all the updates I've done over the last few months, or kind of like quite a few months, to get my apartment 100%. There were a few more things I was thinking of doing before I posted my apartment tour, but I decided not to do them. So that's why the last few updates were in April, but I'm just now posting this. Before I end this video, I just want to show you kind of like a quick overview, like a mini tour of what everything looks like. I am going to be doing a full in-depth apartment tour in my next video. Every single like corner, where everything is from, every drawer, how it's organized, like every single little thing. So that is coming next. I didn't want to end this video without you really seeing what everything looks like. Just gonna give you like a quick overview of kind of like my living room, kitchen, just so you can kind of see what it looks like finished and the end result of the updates. Hopefully this video wasn't like too random. Here is just a sneak peek of what my apartment looks like. Okay, here is the living room. Now that it's all done, I feel like this couch just looks so much nicer than the couch that I had before. I'm so grateful that my parents let me borrow their old couch while I waited for this one. I waited 5 months for it. I also have this little chair. I feel like everything in my apartment is pretty neutral. I like that this gives it a nice little bit of color. I also have this big mirror over here, which fills the space nicely and kind of opens it up. I also like the picture frames above. I like that these came in a set, so I didn't have to find one that matched. These are from Target. I will link them below. Here is an overview of my kitchen. I don't really think much has changed with that. This is kind of the area I was hoping to change something with before I posted the apartment tour. I'm still thinking of maybe adding some shelves, but I just can't find the right thing to put above there. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. On this shelf from Ikea, which you guys have probably seen in quite a few videos if you keep up with my vlog. On top of here, I was trying to figure out some picture frames. I actually ordered these prints from Decenio and I got some Ikea frames. I think they look really nice. They kind of just go with the neutral colors, like the little outline. It took me a while to find a smaller frame. This one's actually not from Ikea. I think I got it from Target or something. And I had a really hard time finding this size frames. I actually added that one quite a bit later, so I think I kind of forgot to show it in this vlog. Here is my room. I just needed just for above my bed. I kind of just had a blank space there, so I got these from Decenio. I really like those. I just think they look nice and kind of fill the space perfectly. I'll just link them below. The frames are from Ikea. The Ikea frames were quite a bit cheaper than the Decenio frames that you can get with them. Everything else in here I think is pretty much the same. I changed up the decorations on top of here. I showed that in a vlog. Not really anything too major, so I didn't really include it in here. Changed it up like several times, just like super randomly. I did get this new plant just the other day, so that is like a tiny update. It's a Monstera plant, and I just put it in this plant stand that I already had from Target. In my bathroom, in this little area, had this empty space, and my bathroom doesn't really have a lot of decorations. It's kind of a lot of empty walls, so I added this picture, which is also from Decenio. It's this little outline print. Again, I have an Ikea frame, and I think this also just kind of goes with the colors and tones that I have in here, and it also fills the space quite nicely. You guys will see my patio a lot more in the apartment video, but here's a quick sneak peek. I've just added a plant, kind of rearranged it a little bit. So that is the mini tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post the apartment tour. Definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below any other videos you would like to see that are apartment related, or just anything you'd like to see on my channel this summer, even like the back to school season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.